Ararteko jauna.
Bai. Oso ondo.
I enjoyed very much since Saturday. So I did around.
Yeah.
Eat very well.
Yeah.
As it should be. Very much.
Okay.
Wonderful discussions with the group.
The weather was very hot.
So I have to come again. So the conference and the meetings and this extra.